How you doing today? Carl Giannotti here, Platinum member of MOBE, my online business education, and today we're going to go over how to create a website with WordPress. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily create a website using free software called WordPress. It has truly changed the way that websites are made. Now here's the beautiful thing. If you're an online marketer or someone with a website or a blog that you want to promote, in the past, in order to create a website, you had to learn how to code, how to program HTML, PHP, or whatever in order to get your website up on the page. Or you had to hire a designer or programmer and possibly spend thousands of dollars or more getting them to design a template, because you had to have one original in order to get your site up and going and to be able to work from there. As you see with WordPress, someone creates a site or a theme or design that you upload and use it. It ends up being much cheaper for you and much easier. The third option in the past was using a program called FrontPage, which is a very old program, and it was for making websites or some sort of do-it-yourself software, which, I'll be honest, it often looks cheap and less attractive than something that is more professionally done. A WordPress website, on the other hand, is such a better solution because you can install it in 15 minutes. Once you have your domain name and your hosting accounts, and the two of those are linked, then you can just log into your hosting account and install WordPress very simply and easily. And it's free or very inexpensive to have a WordPress website. These designers will create beautiful website designs with layouts that goes where, and even pictures, choosing fonts, etc. You just download that file for free and upload it to your hosting. Or for a really good looking one, you can pay a couple of bucks or up to $100 at the most and get some really good looking designs for WordPress. So a lot of these designs are already made. You can just choose the one that works for you and install it without having to have any programming knowledge of your own. So now you're going to run through these 3 steps to easily create a website with WordPress. Step number 1 is to choose the right theme. The next step is to install it, and the last step is to install a particular theme that you want to use. And just a little note, in some cases your website hosting provider, in some cases, provide themes that you can choose from, as well as finding themes on the outside. So in choosing theme is step number 1, or choosing a design that someone has already made that's going to accomplish what you want to accomplish on your own website or blog. Here's what to look for among the different themes that you're choosing from. First step is to have a beautiful and professional design, one that does not look like it was made by someone who's a teenager or by someone using an older software program, but something that really catches your eye, looks crisp, clean, and modern. Second thing is to look for is how functional is it? How much is it going to do what you need it to do? If you want to blog, then it's got to be a blog theme, meaning a header at the top, a sidebar on the left or right side, and columns in the inside for blogging that look very good. If you want to use your website as a squeeze page, or have squeeze pages on your website, then your design has got to allow you to easily create those pages as well. It's got to be flexible. Can you make a chain? Can you make changes to it? What if you want that sidebar to be wider? What if you want to change the font that you use? What if you want to use some ready-made squeeze page templates? It's got to be flexible enough to accomplish those things, if that's what you need. And the last thing to look for is the unique widgets feature that comes with each of them. you'll see a description with each theme of what comes with it. Certain little extra things you can use like calendars, pop-ups, etc. There are all kinds of things out there. You can learn more about WordPress plugins in the next video we come out with. So the bottom line is look at the widgets and the features that come with each theme and compare them to each other. Here are some places to find fantastic themes. The first one is WordPress's own theme directory. Google that and you'll go straight to the page. These are all free themes that offer WordPress users have created. My favorite is themeforest.net. This is where you can find some free or very inexpensive themes that look very attractive. Some of them are really popular and can accomplish everything you want for only $10, $20, $30 each. Now some go up, some up and comings ones are mojothemes.com and creativemarket.com. Mojo Themes is low priced as well. Think of it as Walmart Creative Market is more like Target, a little more upscale in design. You'll pay a little bit more, but still less expensive. The next step is to install the WordPress software itself so that you have the ability to upload your theme to your hosting account and make it visible to anyone who comes to your website. Fortunately, WordPress has created a tutorial for you at this URL here in the screen right now where you can follow the steps and have a WordPress software installation done in 5 minutes. And get your domain and hosting first, and you can set it up fairly quickly. And if those instructions are still too complicated, then try Fiverr.com and someone can do it for you there for just $5. The last step in installing and uploading the theme itself that you choose in order for your site to appear the way you want it. And, it's just part of the process. Now, in order to do this, log into the WordPress site that you just installed. When you finish installing it, it will give you a URL to click on where you can log in and enter a username and password in the left sidebar. Here in the black, you are going to see something called Appearance. Click on that and you'll see a screen just like this one. It will show you any themes you have already uploaded, so you can choose from among several. If you want to change the way your site looks over time, if you are doing this for the first time, click the upload button, select the theme you want, and then your site is going to look the way you desired or whichever theme you happen to pick. It might take additional customizing after this. If that's the case, then hire a programmer off of Fiverr, Odesk, Scriptalence.com to make those final changes for you. So with that said, your website is now up and able to receive the visitors that you generate as a result of each of the different marketing methods you're using to get people coming to your website. And that is the making money online game in a nutshell. Have a site that gets people to subscribe and make sales. Then do various lead generation activities to get them coming to that site in the first place. If you want to find out more ways to do this and make more money online, then click the subscribe button now in order to see our new videos that we produce like this one as they come out. Hope you have a wonderful day, and to your success until I talk to you again. Have a wonderful day.